Hello and welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about how to use social media for your business marketing. This video will explain and explore the top social media platforms and how they can benefit your business. At the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding how to use social media for your business visibility and brand recognition. Social media offers a unique opportunity for businesses to connect to potential customers to promote their products and services. Here are the top social media platforms and how they can benefit your business. Facebook, with over 2.7 billion monthly active users, Facebook is one of the most popular social media platforms. It's great for businesses that want to build a community around their brand, connect with users, and share content. Facebook also offers advanced targeting solutions that will get you in front of the right audience. Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users and is highly visual, making it ideal for businesses that rely heavily on visuals like fashion, food, and travel. Instagram is great for industries that want to showcase their products, build brand awareness, and reach a younger audience. Twitter has over 330 million monthly active users and encourages real-time conversations. Businesses can use Twitter to engage with customers, share news, promote their brands. It's great for businesses that want to stay on top of industry trends, connect with influencers, and engage in social listening. LinkedIn has over 740 million users and is a platform for professionals. Businesses can use LinkedIn to connect with other businesses, share industry news, and promote job openings. It's excellent for B2B businesses that want to build their professional network and establish thought leadership in their industry. YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is a video sharing platform. Businesses can use YouTube to share tutorials, product demos, and behind-the-scenes content. It's great for businesses that want to reach a global audience, build brand awareness, and establish themselves as an industry expert. Social media is a powerful marketing tool for businesses. By understanding the different platforms and their unique benefits, businesses can choose the best social media sites to reach their target audience, increase brand awareness, and promote their products or services. I do have plans on making another video where I'll go in depth on each social media platform. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful.